Tirot Singh U khieim tynrai lynti U pyrshah shiliang burning ia kaibat kynmaw. In our hills, in our Khasi land, Tirot Singh rose firm as the roots. He stood his ground, he fought so strong to save our land, our faith, our song. Go para Khasi, go kynmaw shah jynjar hynrei shym sngap. Sur U Tirot Singh Syiem lympung when Khasi can remember his name. Through trials he stood unshaken, unbowed. His voice still echoes proud and bold in the battle for our freedom. Tyngshop jynjar ryngkat khun tyngeh tyllep shun. He raised the weapons of our land in hills and rivers fierce and wild. With his brave men he fought so hard to never bow to foreign hands. Hynrei ryngkat jong jynjar niam. Tirot Singh though his body fell, his spirit lives. His voice remains forever strong in our motherland. His name resounds. Tirot Singh still lives in us. Shah jynjar hynrei shym sngap. Sur U kham jynhoi lympung jinglait-luit. Oh, my Khasi can remember his name. Through trials he stood unshaken, unbowed. His voice still echoes proud and bold in the battle for our freedom. Tyngshop khun tyngeh shun. He raised the weapons of our land in hills and rivers fierce and wild. With his brave men he fought so hard to never bow to foreign hands. Making young lynti Sur U Tirot Singh though his body fell, his spirit lives. His voice remains forever strong in our motherland. His name resounds. Tirot Singh still lives in us.